Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. We all love playing games with our friends, but do we know how important they are for us? Friends make us feel cared for, they help us during tough times, and most importantly, they make us laugh even when we're feeling down. The best part about having a friend is that you don't need to have anything in common, you just need to be yourself. Of course, there may be some exceptions, but having something in common with your friend can only bring you two closer together. It can become a fun inside joke between the two of you. As you get older, your interests change, but having a friend to share them with makes it all the more exciting. When meeting new people, it can be daunting. At first, you want to make a good impression, so you put your best foot forward. But having something in common can easily break the ice and allow both of you to relax and be yourselves. This is why having something in common with your friends can actually be a good thing. Having something in common means you have a foundation to build off of. Having an interest in the same activity allows you to talk about it with someone who understands what you are talking about. It gives you a sense of belonging and acceptance. It can also give you a sense of purpose and direction. When you have a shared interest with someone, you're more likely to do things together. You're more likely to go out and explore, to try new things. You're more likely to be active and less likely to be bored. If you're looking for ways to connect with your friends, here are 8 fun ideas that involve your shared interests. Playing games is a great way to bond with friends. You can play board games, card games, or video games together. You can also play sports or video games together. Playing games together is a great way to let loose and have some fun. It also gives you a chance to show off your competitive side. Watching movies and TV shows together is another great way to bond with friends. You can watch the latest blockbuster together, or you can catch up on your favorite TV show. This is a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. It's also a great way to discuss your favorite characters and plot twists. Going shopping together is a great way to bond with friends who enjoy retail therapy. You can go to the mall or go vintage shopping together. You can also go grocery shopping together. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly activity, going shopping together is a great way to catch up and stay connected. You can also find some great deals if you shop together. Cooking meals together is a great way to bond with friends who enjoy cooking. You can cook a simple meal together, or you can try out a new recipe. You can also cook for each other and enjoy a delicious meal together. Cooking together is a great way to learn new skills and also have some fun. Attending concerts and live events together is a great way to bond with friends who enjoy live music. You can attend a concert, a play, or a comedy show together. You can also attend sporting events together. Attending live events is a great way to create lasting memories with friends. It's also a great way to support your favorite artists and teams. Traveling together is a great way to bond with friends. You can travel domestically or internationally. You can also travel by car, train, or plane. Traveling together is a great way to experience new cultures and also create lasting memories. It's also a great way to get a break from your everyday life and routine. Volunteering together is a great way to bond with friends who enjoy giving back. You can volunteer at a local charity or soup kitchen. You can also volunteer at an animal shelter or wildlife organization. Volunteering together is a great way to make a difference in the world and also have some fun. It's also a great way to meet new people and make new friends. Spending time in nature is a great way to bond with friends who enjoy the outdoors. You can go hiking, biking, or camping together. You can also go bird watching or fishing together. Spending time in nature is a great way to relax and unwind and also have some fun. It's also a great way to get exercise and fresh air. These are just a few ideas to help you connect with friends who share your interests. There are many other ways to connect with friends. The most important thing is to find activities that you both enjoy. Remember, having something in common with your friends doesn't mean that you're alike. It just means that you have something to connect over. Embrace your differences and use them to your advantage. You might be surprised at how much you have in common. Now, for the next activity, we have a fun game for you called Forest Friends Unite. We've made similar games before, but this one is extra special because it involves cleaning up our beautiful planet. The Earth is our home, and it's our responsibility to keep it clean and healthy for ourselves and for future generations. But sometimes we need a little reminder to take care of our planet, so that's where this game comes in. This game is designed to help you remember to recycle, reduce waste, and reuse items whenever possible. For example, if you see a plastic bottle on the ground, you can pick it up and put it in the recycling bin, or if you see an item that can be reused, you can take it to the reuse bin. And if you see any trash, you can throw it in the garbage. When playing the game, you can earn points for each item you recycle, reuse, or dispose of properly. You can keep track of your points on a leaderboard. At the end of the game, the player with the most points wins. You can play this game with your friends or family members. It's a great way to bond with your loved ones while also helping the environment. Plus, it's a lot of fun. So grab some friends, head outside, and start cleaning up our beautiful planet. Don't forget to pick up all the trash you see and recycle or reuse any items you find along the way. You'll feel good about helping the environment and you'll feel great about yourself. Let's get started. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of this game. First, make sure to bring a bag or backpack to collect any trash or recyclables you find. You can also bring gloves to protect your hands. Also, it's important to be aware of your surroundings when playing this game. Be careful if you're walking near traffic and always look both ways before crossing the street. Finally, have fun. This game is a great way to bond with your friends and family while also helping the environment. So relax and enjoy yourself. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Have a great day. Bye.